Hi, here's a quick demo for the Optum PM and Physician EMR. During this demo, I will cover the basic functions and features of this software that accompanies the paperless medical office and how this educational version of the Optum software elevates thinking by providing learners with hands-on practice in this real-world electronic health record system. The paperless medical office provides 30 to 40 hours of activities in a real-world electronic health record solution. Includes both ICD-9 and ICD-10 codes and full instructor support with the Instructor Resources and Engagement Services. Keep this in mind as I walk through some of the features and activities. First, I must note that you should make sure that you're using Internet Explorer. For full usability and compatibility, reference the System Requirements document posted on the Instructor Resources site. Log in using the username and password provided in the front cover of the textbook. When first logging in, you'll be prompted to change your password to something more memorable and ask for a security question in case you forget your password. There's a spot in the front cover of the book to write down the new password. Here's the main screen to the Optum PM and Physician EMR software. The first thing I want to show is the help documentation. Click on the help icon in the top right-hand corner of the main screen. The help screen will open in a pop-up window. At the top of the help screen, click on the Contents button. Access a particular topic by clicking on the corresponding folder on the left-hand navigation. For example, scheduling an appointment. You can see here there's a lot of information to cover how to book an appointment. There's also recorded training videos for learners who are more visual. To access recording training videos in the Help feature, at the top of the Help screen, click on the Training button. Click on Learn More under Recorded Training. Access a particular topic by scrolling down and selecting the recorded training link next to the topic title. As you can see, these trainings tend to be on the longer side, ranging from 30 to 45 minutes in length, and cover a broad overview of the topic. There are also snippet videos available in the Help feature that are generally 2 to 5 minutes in length and cover very specific topics. These are probably a more practical option for students, as they probably won't take the time to sit through a 45-minute training video. To access these snippet trainings, at the top of the Help screen, click on the Training button and click Learn More under the Snippet Training. One feature I would like to mention about the Instructor Resources is the mapping guide for those recorded trainings to the content and activities in the textbook. This is helpful if you have learners having difficulty with a specific topic. You can refer them to the training videos for extra help. Not only are our instructor resources jam-packed with support, but we also have engagement services available and digital course support. The 30 to 40 hours of activities in the paperless medical office are broken into 3 sections. The first activities covered are practice management activities. The example I'm going to show you is scheduling an appointment. First, pull up a patient. I'm going to pull up an existing patient pre-populated in the software. But you can also register patients using source documents provided, or you can add your own patients. I'm pulling up Jane Morgan by searching for her in the box on the top left hand of the screen, and then double-clicking on her to pull her into context. Click on the Scheduling module. This opens the book application by default. Choose a date, time, and one of the 4 providers. One thing to note is this software is in real time and dates currently go out until 2016. For appointment type, choose Establish Patient Sick. Enter the chief complaint, such as fever, and save. The appointment will now appear on the provider's schedule. Next, we want to check the patient in. Left-click on the patient you want to check in and select Check In from the mini menu. The patient's status is now changed to Check In, and the patient's appointment is highlighted in green in the booked screen. Now I'm going to move to the clinical or back office portion of the demo. The first function I want to show you is bringing up a patient's chart. To do this, click on the Medical Record button on the left-hand nav. It will bring up a pop-up which is patient's chart. The clinical activity I'm going to show you is recording vital signs. You can see that there's also a number of other activities that students can complete, such as adding medications, allergies, and immunizations. Click on the Vital Signs button on the left-hand nav screen. Click on the Record Vital Signs button on the lower left-hand part of the screen. Create a new encounter. I'm now able to add in Jane Morgan's vital signs. And click Save. The Vital Signs window is now updated with the data you entered. I would like to note here on how students save and turn homework in. There are save buttons throughout the software like the one I just used. Also, students submit homework via the print PDF. See the print button here. If no print function is available, they are advised to submit screenshots. The last set of activities are related to billing, collections, and coding. For these activities to work properly, they need to be completed in order, so I can't actually complete one of these in the demo. What I can do is show you the screen where you would complete the coding. Go back to the scheduling screen, left click on the appointment and choose the option Visit. The Visit window will open and automatically display the Procedures tab. You can search and enter the procedure here. Also at the top is the Diagnosis tab. Here's where I search for a diagnosis, for example, the flu. You can see here that it's currently searching ICD-9 codes. However, once the search pop-up box comes up, you're able to switch to search ICD-10 codes. One other thing to note here is that students have access to Optum's coding software, Encoder Pro. This concludes my demo of the Optum PM and Physician EMR software that accompany the paperless medical office. Thanks for taking the time, and please pass any questions or review copy requests through your Cengage Learning Consultant. Thanks so much!